If you want to start earning money from your website, one of the easiest ways is by adding ads through Google AdSense. And in this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to connect it to your Wix website, step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, this process is simple once you follow the correct method. First, you need to make sure your website is fully ready. Google AdSense requires that your site has original content, clear navigation, and important pages like About and Contact. Once your site is ready, go to google.com/AdSense and sign up using your Google account. During the sign-up process, you will be asked to enter your website URL and choose your country. After submitting, Google will review your website before approving your account. Once your AdSense account is approved, the next step is to connect it to your Wix site. Log into your Wix dashboard and open the website you want to monetize. On the left side, go to Settings, then click on Advanced Settings, and look for options related to custom code or integrations. Wix allows you to add external scripts, which is how AdSense works. Now go back to your AdSense account, click on Ads, and then choose Get Code. Google will provide you with a small piece of HTML code called the AdSense script. Copy this code carefully. Now return to your Wix dashboard and open the Custom Code section. Click on Add Custom Code, paste the AdSense code into the box, and make sure you select the option to load it on all pages. Also, place the code inside the head section as recommended by Google. Save and publish your website. This step connects your site with AdSense so that ads can start appearing. After this, you can choose how ads are displayed. In your AdSense dashboard, you can enable Auto Ads, which automatically places ads on your website without manual setup. This is the easiest option for beginners. If you want more control, you can create ad units manually and place them in specific sections of your Wix site using embed elements. Keep in mind that ads may not appear immediately. Google usually takes some time to review your website again and start serving ads. Make sure your site follows all AdSense policies, otherwise ads may be limited or disabled. Also, continue adding quality content to increase traffic and improve earnings over time. In simple terms, adding Google AdSense to your Wix website involves creating an AdSense account, getting the ad code, adding it to your Wix site through custom code, and enabling ads display. Once everything is set up correctly, your website can start generating revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more simple and practical guides that help you grow your website and earn online.